If you have a toilet that's filling slowly, you may not need to replace the fill valve. A lot of people say replace the fill valve. So first thing to do is shut the water off. Drain some water down to make sure that the water is off. Next, these yellow caps on the top, and yours might not be yellow, it might be blue or red, but these style of fill valves, you can pop these tops off. Now it's just a decorative cover. If you crack it, it's not going to hurt anything. However, once you expose underneath, the reason your fill valve is filling slowly is that you could have debris stuck under here. Now these you can remove and replace parts actually, so you don't have to completely replace the fill valve. Now fill valves are relatively inexpensive, but you can do it without going and buying new parts. Typically I see debris underneath these. So you can see here I lift it up and I give it a quarter turn, which gives access to the inside of the fill valve. This is where you're going to see debris. So if you have debris in here, you can throttle, give a little bit of water into the fill valve, and it'll help flush it, which I'll show you here shortly. So you can see here I'm just opening the valve slowly to allow water inside the fill valve so it wants to fill. And what that's going to do is it's going to push out any debris that could be caught in there. Now you did see that black rubber gasket that sits down on there. They can also be replaced for pennies basically. So you can look up online your fill valve model and just get replacement parts for them. You don't always have to completely replace the fill valve. So putting it back down now, giving it the quarter turn to lock it into place, and you can see there's a groove here. So you want to make sure it's locked into place. Put your cap back on, and then turn your water back on. Thanks for watching.